So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Zapper decoder if you are living in Ghana. So all you got to do is to pick up your Dstv remote, you press on the blue button which will take you to the menu, and you use the arrow left and right keys to look for settings. So on the settings page you come down to the satellite settings. Satellite settings, you move on to the home network, you press OK on it to proceed. Okay, so home network, come down to launch installation wizard. Launch installation wizard, you press OK. And with the satellite, you need to select the E36B. If it has changed to a different one, you have to turn it or change it to the E36B, and you press OK to move on. On this page, you need to select the manual setup, not the quick setup, manual setup. You press OK. And on this page, the LNB type have to be universal since it says Zapper AD decoder. But in case maybe they install it with a unique cable LNB, you need to change the universal to a unique cable. Okay. So you use the arrow left and right keys to the unique cable TM/CR. And if you change it and then you come down here but nothing shows, there's no signal stores right there, you need to change it to the universal. Normally the Zapper AD decoder comes along with the universal LNB, so you need to select the universal LNB and make sure that the signal status have filled up. We have some indicator at the right side of the page. Make sure that it has filled up before you can proceed to scan. If not, you can't even proceed to scan. So if you reach here and there's nothing showing, you can't proceed to scan. All you got to do is to check the signal cable at the back of the decoder or the satellite dish to get your signal. So you press OK to proceed and you get your channels. Alright, so after scanning, just go ahead and then start enjoying your channels. But if it's a new decoder, you need to activate it before you can go ahead and then enjoy the channel. So all you got to do is to call DSTV office and then you provide the IUC number of the decoder. You're gonna find the IUC number or the smart card number at the back of the decoder. After submitting the IUC number, they're gonna activate it for you right there. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you like the video, and you share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.